2, 1. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you guys haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. Hello, TikTok world. Welcome, welcome, welcome. As you guys see, I already have transitioned and did this side of my face, which is pink and blue, which my YouTubers help pick out. So now we're going to do this side here. We're going to do a contrast of two colors. We're going to do yellow and green. Pink and green. So let's get into it. Wish me luck. So I have this light green here. Hello everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. I feel like a highlighter, but it's okay. I think you guys like watching me doing crazy colors. Okay, Jessica. So I'm using my rainbow eyeshadow palette as you guys always like for me to wear. I'm doing this transition of colors. This is a pretty emerald green. It does, doesn't it? It really does. Eats. I love it. I'm going to have to order me another one of those. Okay. This is a light green. I need a yellow. Oops. We're going to do a yellow liner. It's giving money green. Okay guys, what makeup tutorial should I name this? Like money green versus hot girl look or Barbie look? What you guys think I should name this video? Thank you, Jessica. If you guys haven't already, please tap on that screen. Show your girl some love. Come on, guys. Y'all joining. You guys are watching. Come on. Show your girl some love. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to go in with my Elizabeth lashes by I Envy. This is the Emerald Mink. This is Elizabeth. And we're going to go ahead and apply some glue on here. Welcome to my live. Please tap on that screen for me and show your girl some love. I'm going to attach my lash. Spring shower. Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on, guys. On TikTok, tap on that screen and show your girl some love. please. Alright, we're going to go in with the Cool Cafe Concealer. The green and yellow, I figured. I think it's going to be everybody's favorite side. Y'all, I'm mad. I had dropped my plate. Oh, I'm sorry. You got to be careful. Apply that lighter. This color I am using is Carto. This is number 06 by Nika K. And I used the Cool Cafe number 05. And I'm going to use my medium-sized brush. Yeah, I pray that I can download this video, because everybody's not coming on for some reason. I mean, they showing up, but they not like how y'all doing. So hopefully I can download this. So we had a video from yesterday. We did the ponytail makeup, and now we're doing this makeup. And now I think I have the other one doing like 2 lips hack. I'm gonna show you guys that. Now I gotta come up with another hack. Okay, girl, I would. Girl, no. Don't tell her that. Stuff already carry germs. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Tap on that screen for me, please. Show your girl some love. And I guess I do the bottom yellow. Or orange, actually. A little orange. Green. I should put more green. Tap on that screen for me, please, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And we're just having a free, fun time doing makeup. So don't just sit there, like my live, please. Come in. That's cute.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
I wear my sandals tomorrow.
I mean, you had a little jacket go with that.
With these
And
pants.
khaki. Or you can wear your jean jacket. That look
It'd be
nice.
too hot.
Oh, well, they look nice.
Okay, I wear my little sandals with things on.
That's cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Those some linen pants, ain't it? You better wear something darker and you see right through in the back.
Black, that's why I got on these
Oh,
black things.
yeah. People see right through it.
Oh, okay. I might have to come and iron these pants.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm finna take a shower right quick. Oh, you finna film?
I'm filming now. You okay? I don't think they saw you. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, let me know when you film.
Okay. Cool. Hey guys. TikTok. Okay guys, what do you guys think? Pink and blue or green and yellow? TikTok, anybody? You guys want to say anything? Which side did you guys like? No, that was my aunt. She's going to a graduation tomorrow. Jessica said both. Jay said this side. TikTok, what do you guys think? Pink and blue or green and yellow? Ooh, my right eye is jumping. That means something good is finna happen, y'all. I don't know what it is. All right. Well, thank you guys for tuning in on TikTok. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. We could have made it to 1,000 subscribers, but I don't know what's going on. I'm coming on here to show you guys love. I know I didn't post last night. I had emergency with my phone. I wasn't able to publish or post, in other words. So tonight you guys will get the full experience. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. Yeah. So anything you guys want to say before I go on TikTok? Sushi, hi. Thank you, Patton. But before I go, we need to get up to 1,000 likes. Thank you, Jade, for telling me to do the nude lipstick. How you know I was finna say that? Girl, this is the LA Girl Stay Play I am wearing. It's a auto twist. And I'm trying to tell you guys the color. Because it's $7. They have a variety of colors, but I don't know if I'm going to spend $7 on this. This one is, the number is G730. It's called Truly Yours. This is by LA Girls. And look like this. And then I use Nika K, which is a dollar pencil. You don't have to spend no $7, $5, $4 on no pencil. This one's called Cocoa, which I love because everybody be like, how you know which colors? Like, I play with them. So I love Cocoa. This is number A171. And you guys can find these both at your local beauty supply store. So this is how I achieved the nude lip combo. It's very easy. And it looks very realistic. And it makes my lips pop more. We almost close to 1,000. Well, we made it to 1,000K, you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining my live. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe here on my TikTok, my YouTube channel, my Instagram. All the information will be in my bio. So please follow. Please share my content with everyone that you know. And we love to have fun on this channel and just transform. So don't forget to like, share, and follow me on TikTok. And follow me on my YouTube channel. We're not leaving on YouTube. We're going to go on TikTok because I'm going to have to go edit this video and chop it up so everyone can see it. Thank you guys for tuning in. And I will see you guys later. Have a great night. Bye.